Hello, today we learn about mean, median and more. These are part of data handling chapter. So let's start with mean. We have an also idea of mean. If you don't know about mean, so see our previous video and you find link in description. A process that accurate for mean is sum of all values divided by number of values 11, 14, 21, 25. Let's take that 5 numbers. First, arrange in ascending and descending order, that is on your which order you choose. 5, 11, 14, 20 and 21. Take sum of it. 5 plus 11 plus 14 plus 20 plus 21 equal to 71 and divided by number of values. Number of values are 5. So 71 divided by 5 equals to 14.2. Mean is 14.2. We have an idea about it. Now we learn about median. On it we can also arrange it in ascending or descending order, like 5, 11, 14, 20 and 21 numbers we arrange it in, and according to NCERT some lower classes class 7th 8th book, the number on those is median. This is right, but on even numbers it does not occur. So the process that is used for odd equal to m plus 1 divided by 2's value and even m plus 1 divided by 2's value and then also divided by 2's value. Take an screenshot of it and write on it because this word is very useful for your 21, 14, 16, 15, 11. So n equal to 5 and means number of values. Median is also represented by m sign. It is useful for us. So 5 plus 1 divided by 2's value, 6 divided by 2 equal to third value. Third value means 16. 16 how? First is 21, second is 14 and third is? Yes, 16. Very good. Answer is 16. 21, 14, 16, 50, 11, 4. Our new number come here. And n equal to 6 mean even. Mid process not used. N plus 1 divided by 2's value not used. So what use? Yes, n plus 1 divided by 2's value. So first m equal to n plus 1 divided by 2's value. 6 plus 1 means n equal to 6. 7 divided by 2's value, 7 divided by 2 and 2 another divided by 3.5 divided by 2. Now the third value is 16 and fourth value is 50. Take sum of it. 3.5 equal to third and fourth value. 16 plus 50 divided by 2, 66 divided by 2 equal to 33. So our median is 33. Now last and very accurate and interesting process come mode. The number that occur more time in a following number is mode. It may be 1, 2 or 3. Infinite means a large value of scale number, a large value of number may be mode. In a smaller set of numbers we can represent it directly, but in large number of set it represent in tabular form. In smaller set we can also represent it tabular form, but in smaller we can do easily 2, 8, 6, 4, 3, 2, 5, 8, 6, 2. First arrange in ascending or descending order. It is in order 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 8, 8. We can choose ascending order. In direct 3 comes 3 times. So 2 is our mode. If any number comes more than 2, so it is our mode. If it is on equal, so both are mode. And questions I give to you for your easy learning. And we can take quick revision, I think. Mean equal to sum of all value divided by number of values. Median equal to mid value. Or process odd equal to n plus 1 divided by 2. Or even equal to n plus 1 divided by 2 by 2. mode equal to number comes that mode times. A question that come mean 16, 17, 18, 20, 49, 71. Find it mean mode on the background of mode 2, 8, 18, 51, 66, 38, 47, 51, 66, 38. Find mode. And from the median 10, 77, 66, 21, 48, 49, 11. Find median. Apply both process on it because it is in odd number. And 21, 11, 31, 17, 14, 18. Find it median. So thank you and do it.